Okay kids, we have learned about sleeping lines, standing lines, slanting lines and curves. So let's learn about alphabets today. Let me teach you about the capital letter and the small letter. So let's start with A. This is A, big A, capital A. And this is small a, 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 A. Let's look at B. This is big B. That is your capital B. And this is your small b. B, 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 B. So let's revise it again. Big A, small A, big B, small b, B. A as in apple, A as in ant, B as in ball, B as in bat. So keep revising. See you next time. Thank you.